Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro and Webflow app. In this video, we'll show you how to sync your CMS with SmartPost to automate the offer publishing process on CMS updates. To automate the event publishing directly from your CMS updates, let's begin by syncing your CMS with SmartPost by clicking on the Map with Webflow CMS tab. The first step is to select the CMS you want to sync. The second step would be to map the fields of your CMS to Google Post fields. Start by mapping the offer name field to the plain text field in your CMS. Then, map the offer start date field to the date time field in your CMS. Similarly, map the offer end date field to the date time field in your CMS. Then, map the offer content field to the corresponding rich text field from your CMS. Now map the optional redeem link field to the link field in your CMS now. Map the offer image field to the image field in your CMS. Similarly, continue mapping the offer start time and offer end time field to the date time field in your CMS. Now map the optional voucher code field to the plain text field in your CMS. Finally, map the term and conditions field to the rich text field in your CMS. Then click on the Sync Offer button to complete the mapping. And that's it. Your CMS is now successfully synced, and your offers will publish automatically. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to manage the content posted through SmartPost Content Manager. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.